Welcome to our video on the 5 worst veggies for diabetics. Managing diabetes involves making mindful food choices, and some vegetables can affect blood sugar levels more than others. In this video, we'll explore the vegetables that may not be the best choices for individuals with diabetes. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe and hit the like button to help us reach more people, and ring the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Let's get started. At number 5, we shine a light on a nutritious choice: beets. These vibrant root vegetables are often lauded for their rich nutrient profile, boasting a range of vitamins, minerals, and even dietary fiber. However, it's crucial to be mindful of their natural sugar content. Beets contain natural sugars, which can provide a quick source of energy when consumed. While this can be advantageous in certain situations, it's important to note that indulging in a large quantity of beets, especially in one sitting, can result in a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Now, for individuals with diabetes, or those who need to manage their blood sugar levels, this rapid spike can be a concern. Therefore, it's best to enjoy beets in moderation. This doesn't mean you have to exclude them from your diet entirely. Instead, consider portion control as your ally. Beets can be incorporated into your meals in various delightful ways. You can add them to your salads for a burst of color and nutrition, roast them as a flavorful side dish, or even blend them into smoothies. The key is to be conscious of the quantity you consume to help maintain stable blood sugar levels. At number 4 on our list is butternut squash, a nutritious and versatile vegetable that's loved for its sweet, nutty flavor. But, like many foods, it has some considerations when it comes to certain health conditions, particularly diabetes. Research has shown that the glycemic index, GI, of foods can provide insights into their effects on blood sugar. The GI is a measure of how quickly a carbohydrate-containing food raises blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, while those with a low GI result in a slower and more gradual increase. In the case of butternut squash, studies have indicated that it falls into the category of foods with a moderate to high GI due to its carbohydrate content. For individuals with diabetes, managing blood sugar is essential, and choosing foods with a lower GI can be beneficial in achieving stable blood sugar levels. A study published in the journal Diabetes Care investigated the GI of various foods, including butternut squash. The results showed that butternut squash had a moderate GI, indicating that it can lead to a notable increase in blood sugar levels when consumed. Therefore, while butternut squash is undoubtedly a nutritious addition to your diet, its relatively high carbohydrate content and moderate GI may lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels for individuals with diabetes. If you're looking for alternatives that have a milder impact on blood sugar, consider vegetables like cauliflower or zucchini. These options are lower in carbohydrates and can be used in various dishes as substitutes for butternut squash while helping to keep your blood sugar levels more stable. At number 3 on our list, we have potatoes. Potatoes, whether they are the classic white variety or the sweeter alternatives like sweet potatoes, are a beloved staple in many diets. They're incredibly versatile and can be prepared in numerous delicious ways. However, when it comes to blood sugar management, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. Potatoes are notably high in carbohydrates, and carbohydrates play a significant role in determining how our blood sugar levels respond after a meal. When you consume potatoes, whether mashed, fried, or baked, your body breaks down the carbohydrates into sugar, glucose, for energy. This process can lead to a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. What makes this rapid spike concerning, especially for individuals with diabetes, is that it can be challenging for the body to regulate. In people without diabetes, the pancreas releases insulin to help move excess glucose out of the bloodstream and into cells for energy. However, for those with diabetes, this process can be impaired, leading to elevated and unstable blood sugar levels. Another factor to consider is the fiber content of potatoes. Fiber is known for its ability to slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. Unfortunately, potatoes, especially when peeled, lack significant fiber compared to some other vegetables. For individuals with diabetes, it's advisable to limit their potato consumption or choose alternatives that have a gentler impact on blood sugar. Sweet potatoes, for example, have a lower glycemic index than white potatoes, meaning they lead to a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. Additionally, cauliflower can be an excellent substitute for mashed potatoes, offering a similar texture without the rapid spike in blood sugar. It's essential to work with a healthcare provider to create a personalized meal plan that aligns with your individual health goals and dietary needs. At number 2 on our list, we shine the spotlight on peas. These tiny green powerhouses are packed with nutrients and fiber, making them a valuable addition to your diet. However, it's important to be mindful of their carbohydrate content, especially if you have diabetes. Peas, like many other vegetables, contain carbohydrates. As we now know, carbohydrates are a primary source of energy for the body, but they can also influence blood sugar levels. When you consume peas, your body breaks down these carbohydrates into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and can cause an increase in blood sugar levels. While peas are a nutritious choice due to their fiber content and essential nutrients, their carbohydrate content can be a concern for individuals with diabetes. That's why it's crucial to control portion sizes when including peas in your meals. By doing so, you can help manage the impact of carbohydrates on your blood sugar levels. Including peas in your diet can be a healthy choice, but moderation is key. By being mindful of the quantity you consume, you can enjoy the nutritional benefits of peas without causing significant fluctuations in blood sugar. It's also worth noting that the way peas are prepared can influence their impact on blood sugar. For example, fresh peas have a lower glycemic index compared to processed or canned peas. Taking the top spot on our list is corn, a widely enjoyed vegetable that graces many dinner tables and barbecues. While corn is undeniably delicious, it's important to be aware of its impact on blood sugar levels, especially if you have diabetes. Corn is starchy, and like many starchy foods, it's relatively high in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a primary source of energy, but they can also influence blood sugar levels. When you consume corn, the carbohydrates it contains are broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream and can lead to a significant spike in blood sugar levels. In fact, the impact of corn on blood sugar can be akin to that of processed grains, which are typically discouraged for individuals with diabetes due to their rapid effect on blood sugar. For those with diabetes, it's wise to consume corn sparingly and be particularly mindful of portion sizes. While corn can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, overindulging in this starchy vegetable can lead to undesirable fluctuations in blood sugar levels. One way to approach corn if you have diabetes is to treat it similarly to other carbohydrate-rich foods. It's also important to consider how corn is prepared. For example, whole corn, such as fresh or frozen corn, may have a somewhat lower glycemic index compared to processed corn products like corn flakes or corn chips. And there you have it, the 5 worst veggies for diabetics. While these vegetables may not be the best choices for managing blood sugar levels, it's important to remember that individual responses to foods can vary. If you have diabetes, it's advisable to work with a healthcare provider to create a personalized meal plan that suits your needs. If you found this information useful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your engagement and feedback are essential to us. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.